everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, you are going to learn how to reset HP Smart Tank printer, factory reset and troubleshooting guide for HP Smart Tank. When should you reset your HP Smart Tank printer? A factory reset can help if the printer is not connecting to Wi-Fi. HP Smart cannot find the printer. You changed your Wi-Fi name or password. The printer is stuck during setup. Wireless settings are corrupted. You want to set up the printer as new. Method 1. Factory reset HP Smart Tank 670 720 750 6000 7000 and 7300 series. Turn on the printer. Press and hold the information button for about 5 seconds until all control panel buttons light up. Open the ink access door. Press and hold the information and cancel buttons together for about 3 seconds. Wait around 20 seconds. Close the ink access door. Allow the printer to complete the reset process. Method 2. Restore factory defaults and enter Wi-Fi setup mode. Use this method if HP Smart cannot detect the printer. Lift the ink access door. Press the information button for 3 seconds until all buttons light up. Press and hold the information and cancel buttons until 00 appears and the Wi-Fi light starts blinking. Close the ink access door. Wait 30 seconds. Turn the printer off and back on. Wait for the Wi-Fi light to blink indicating wireless setup mode. Open the HP Smart app and add the printer again. Method 3. Reset network settings only. If you only change your router or Wi-Fi password, a network reset may be enough. Turn on the printer. Press and hold the wireless button and cancel button together for about 5 seconds. Release the buttons when the wireless light starts blinking. Open HP Smart and reconnect the printer to your Wi-Fi network. Troubleshooting guide after reset. Step 1. Restart the printer. Turn the printer off, unplug the power cable, wait 60 seconds, plug it back in and turn it on. Step 2. Check Wi-Fi connection. Make sure your phone or computer is connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Keep the printer close to the router during setup. Step 3. Reinstall the HP Smart app. Remove the HP Smart app. Install the latest version. Add the printer again and complete setup. Step 4. Put the printer back into setup mode. If the printer is not found, press the information button for 5 seconds. Press and hold the wireless and cancel buttons for 5 seconds. Wait for the Wi-Fi light to blink. Run printer setup again in HP Smart. Thanks for watching the video. Do like, comment and subscribe the channel.